All right, so next thing we have to do is go to contact support. And let's just take a quick review, because the reason that we changed this page to contact support rather than just create a case is because we get the case deflection component out of the box standard, and we get the contact support form out of the box standard. All right, so now that our community is pretty much ready, let's take a quick tour by clicking up here and viewing the partner demo experience live. All right, so everything that we've built, here's our homepage, here's our partner dashboard. Let's give that a quick refresh. I'm gonna see what the latest leads are. Here is my leads inbox of leads that I can take and start calling. Here's the page where I can get a listing of all my leads, but I can also create new ones, change the statuses, change owners, go into a specific lead to do work if I need to as a partner. As a partner, I can come to the deals page, which is just the opportunity object, and I can enter in new deals for you as a company to start working on with the partner. We come to the resources page, and here's our library. Now, I'm a system admin, that's why I see asset library, but your end users will only see the demo library and the marketing materials, and they'll get this nice visual. They can come into here and they will be able to download anything that's inside. They will then come to the knowledge base, and here we've got that nice visual on the back end. So they'll be able to come here and they will see a listing of all the articles that are underneath the topic of marketing, and they will be able to pop into any of the articles and take a read about what it is. And you can use this for support, you can use this for marketing, for all types of informational exchange. Next, we can come to create a case, and we can start entering in the case. And you'll see, as we start typing in the subject, we start getting recommendations from the case deflection component, which will hopefully keep cases down.